Advent. This year, I've discovered a lot of movies and TV shows and YouTube videos. A lot of YouTubers. I would mention all of them, but I know I'll forget someone, and I don't want to do that. I discovered Tyler Oakley, who is my spirit animal, and there are so many movies that came out this year. I was looking through a whole list, and I realized that this is the year of the movies where I had intended to go see them, but I never did, or it took me forever. I just saw Guardians of the Galaxy this past weekend, and I just saw Lego Movie a week or two ago. So it was really hard for me to pick what some of the best movies were this year because I had barely seen the movies that came out this year. And even TV shows, I had a hard time thinking of which ones were new and what I liked the best. And there's so many, so I guess I'll stick to movies. The movies I had seen I enjoyed, but they weren't particularly amazing. I really liked them. Divergent was good, but I have a complicated relationship with that series. Mockingjay was fantastic. Lego Movie was hilarious. Guardians of the Galaxy was fun. I did like that more than the Avengers. And I was going to vote for About Time, but then I realized the DVD came out in 2014. The movie itself came out in 2013. So that made my choice even harder. But I do think my favorite movie that came out this year was The Fault in Our Stars. I'm sure there are other movies that were fantastic. Come to think of it, Gone Girl was really good. But I definitely think The Fault in Our Stars was my all-time favorite movie of the year. Although, we all know Harry Potter is my all-time favorite book and movie every year.